For today, we are going to solve these geometry questions regarding congruent and similar triangles. So in this figure, we call it figure 8. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. The point D and E are midpoints of AB and AC respectively. The point F is on the extension of DE such that the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BFA. We are asked to find up to 3 decimal places the value of AB over BC. What do you think?
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Since in this case, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BFA, and also triangle ABC is an isosceles. So we can fill in the value of some of the side lengths and the angles. For example, we can let the angle A as alpha and let the angle B and C as beta. And in this case, we know that alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 180 degrees. Since we are asked to find the value of AB over BC, we may also let AD equals to X, and therefore AB equals to 2X, and let BC to be Y. So in this case, AB over BC is 2X over Y. Again, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BFA. We know that AF is Y and BF is 2X. So these are all the conditions that we know about a pair of congruent triangles. In order to solve this question, we need a little bit more than congruent triangle. That is, we need to find out a pair of similar triangles. Note that D and E are midpoints of AB and AC respectively, which means that DE will be parallel to BC. This means that the angle ADF is equal to the angle ABC, that is equal to a beta. And we also know that the angle of ABF is also equal to beta, and therefore this is beta minus alpha. So we may draw this again for the triangle ABC and the triangle ADF. So for AB, it is equal to 2X, BC equals to Y. For ADF, AD is equal to X, and AF equals to Y. When we look at the angle A here, it is alpha, and angle B is beta. We already know that the angle ADF is beta, and the angle BAF is beta, because the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BFA. And therefore, this is also equal to beta. Let us fill in all the other values. So the angle C here also equals to beta because of isosceles. And because alpha plus 2 beta equals to 180 degrees, the angle F here is alpha. And in this case, we know that the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle FAD. Then we know that AB over BC will be equal to FA over AD. And therefore, this means that 2x over y equals to y over x. So 2x squared equals to y squared. X over y squared equals to 1 over 2. And therefore, x over y equals to 1 over root 2. So from the question, we are asked to find the value of AB over BC, which we know that is equal to 2x over y. And therefore, this is 2x over y equals to 1 over square root of 2. And therefore, this is square root of 2. So the value of square root of 2 up to 3 decimal place will be 1.414. And therefore, 1.414 is the answer for this question. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.